Welcome to Unbox Burrito. This will be a quick video on this 40th anniversary of A New Hope gift box. As you can see, it comes with this giant box, but it's pretty much empty because it only comes with 4 items basically. A pin set, magnets, glass mug, and a ceramic mug. A heat changing one. So let's start off quickly with these magnets. They come in a nice protective plastic sleeve here. And here you can see it's basically just a metal cover with a soft fridge magnet style magnet on the back. And here we have old Obi-Wan and Darth Vader, both from A New Hope. It's pretty funny, Vader is showing off. He has this whole army with a Star Destroyer there. Obi-Wan's just like, I just got close friends. So that's the 2 magnets, pretty straightforward. Then here we have a 4-pack button set. So you can open the button, and here we basically just have a standard cheap style button. I find it pretty funny, they give you, I believe, 3 images from A New Hope. And then there's one that looks like it's from Return of the Jedi. So this is obviously the cover of A New Hope. This is just some other art picture, but it has the full Death Star on the side here. That's how I can tell. Same with this, has the full Death Star. So these 3 belong to A New Hope, and then we have Return of the Jedi here. I guess you can see it as a bonus 4th pin. Yeah, so that's the 4 pin set. Again, pretty straightforward. Then here we have the Han and Leia glasses. Now they call it the reverse etch glasses. They look a lot nicer. These look really nice actually. So Leia here has a nice purple like frosted finish. It might be hard to see, but it makes a silhouette of Leia's body here, and it says, "I love you." So this is actually an Empire Strikes Back set of cups, because here we have a frosted black glass of Han silhouette, and it has his response. I know. So yeah, it's really simple because it's just like a silhouette image, but the frosted finish here, it feels very nice, and it actually looks a lot better than you would expect. So this is definitely one of the bigger and more interesting items that you get in this gift set. And then last but not least, we have a heat changing mug of the Death Star. Okay, so when it's in its default cold, it's a Death Star with its beam charged up and ready to blast. And you can see here, the image of the planet is supposedly hidden in black darkness. So now I'm gonna have to go get some hot water. So here I got a boiling hot steamy kettle so that we can see the transformation of this mug here. Okay, so the hot water has been poured in. Oh, and you can start to see the laser beam. Basically the hot water starts to clear up the black surface. So the black surface starts to disappear. The planet of Alderaan, I believe, Princess Leia's home planet, in mid-explosion. Now, to be honest right now, I have experience with other heat changing mugs, and the heat changing effect works a lot better than this one. It actually has a slightly white shade to it. It's like the black heat changing layer isn't totally gone, so there's basically no change on the Death Star end. It's not a spectacular heat changing mug, but it is something. It's better than nothing, I would say. There, so that's basically all the items that come in this 40th anniversary A New Hope gift set. Now, if you've made it this far into the video, I have a bonus key item to show. So I basically purchased a key, but I told them to not forge the key or copy it or make it, because I literally just wanted to buy it because of R2-D2 and C-3PO. So yeah, I have a blank uncut key here for collection purpose, and I just wanted to show it off because I think it looks really cool. We have C-3PO and R2-D2 apparently visiting Spain. I just thought it was really cool that they showed the front on one side of the key and the back on the other side. And yeah, so I have this uncut key. I could always decide to cut it at any point in the future, but for now I just think it's cool and I like it as a display. It almost feels like it should be part of this collection, so I like to just throw it here, even though it doesn't actually come with it. But yeah, so that's pretty much this video. Thanks for watching. Now I actually have more Star Wars like cups and glasses, and over this pandemic I have kind of gone a little overboard with a mug collection. I'm gonna be posting a video showcasing that. So subscribe and check out that video once it's released. Thanks for watching.